Okay, I have a theory. All Zalgos are the same Zalgo. I know most creepypasta writers don't like to do that, but it does work in a way. I like to imagine each version of Zalgo is the same Zalgo, but not all the other creepypasta characters, they're all different. I like to imagine that. What I mean is, each Zalgo is basically the same Zalgo, but in different, what's the word? Not different, same Zalgo, but going to other dimensions, and soon changing his life story for the sake of it, but he still remembers he's the same Zalgo. Maybe that would work. Basically, his origin changed, but not his personality. Well, his personality changed, but not his memories. And he's still evil. If you think about it, Zalgo's probably the only in my opinion, some creepypasta characters are redeemable, but some of them are not. But Zalgo's one of the ones are not. And to be honest, the reason why I'm doing a power level video right now about how powerful Zalgo is basically I have to count every power of Zalgo from each different creepypastas. I can't count all of them, but I at least count most of them, because some of them have the same powers. Like for example, Zombie the Studio Zalgo has the same power Zalgo as... Seems like he has the same power Zalgo from what's that series? From not Mr. Becky Kruger. In my opinion, Mr. Becky Kruger Zalgo is the most powerful Zalgo. Unless if you count the Zalgo from Journey to the Backwoods. I'll explain how the powers work. First of all, the main power of a Zalgo is corruption and possession. Means Zalgo kind of is part of every human's anger issue. So if I became angry and aggressive, that's kind of the work of Zalgo's personality. Basically, you can't permanently kill Zalgo. People could say they can. In my opinion, the best way to say it, each Zalgo is the same, so each dimension from Zalgo, if you kill Zalgo, maybe someday another Zalgo will replace that Zalgo. Maybe that's how it works. So for example, if Journey to the Backwoods Zalgo died, I think they could easily replace him with a new Zalgo who has the same memories. I'm just saying, Zalgo's power level is basically similar power level to Darkseid. I'm just saying, I think Thanos should be more powerful or equally as powerful as Darkseid from DC. If you don't know who Darkseid is, he's basically a being who has beyond power. He's basically powerful compared to Thanos. Thanos is weaker compared to Darkseid. And probably Zalgo's equal to Darkseid. I wouldn't say powerful as Darkseid, but equal. Means he's not powerful. Like, Zalgo can't beat Darkseid. But then again, Darkseid can't beat Zalgo. That's how I see it. So if you add two powerful beings together, they won't beat each other. They will just be equal in hand to hand or any form of power. So if you think about it, Zalgo is the most powerful creepypasta character in the world. And Zombie the Studio's creepypasta Zalgo is okay, but in my opinion, Zalgo should not be beaten. He's still the most powerful, and even if you kill Zalgo, there'll probably be another one to replace him, and it's still the same Zalgo in the head, but not the same Zalgo physically. So if you think about it, you can't permanently kill Zalgo. It makes sense. For example, each Zalgo version is different. But yeah. And I guess Ben 10 can't beat Zalgo, or Superman can't beat Zalgo, Goku can't beat Zalgo, no one could beat Zalgo. Zalgo is ideal. He's meant to be ideal for villains. You know, like Superman's ideal for all heroes everywhere, and All Might is ideal for all heroes everywhere. Zalgo represents complete ideal for a villain. All villains should worship Zalgo and see him as the ultimate idol for all villains. And the saying, Zalgo, he's not too evil compared to Christopher Ferguson, but I think Christopher Ferguson should still worship him because Zalgo's more powerful and he represents all evil. If you think about it, Zalgo could do other evil things as well as what he done to kill. He could do other forms of evil. But I'm just saying, Zalgo represents true corruption and apocalypse. Means if the world did end, Zalgo will be there just to watch. Pretty much. So yeah, Zalgo is probably the most powerful creepypasta character in the series. So yeah. In any creepypasta series, Zalgo is the most powerful. And if you think about it, Zalgo is a godlike creature. So see ya.